I've seen the biggest plot twist of 2024 happen in the Amazon FBA community on Twitter or on X, if you want to call it this way. It's actually crazy. It's not even fiction work. Like, it's something that happened in front of all of our eyes. And if you actually hang out on Twitter, on Amazon Twitter a little bit, you probably know what I'm talking about. But I've been saying it for a long time. Even though I do not necessarily agree with a lot of the gurus, I believe that the anti-guru movement is actually bullshit. Like, it's actually a clone movement, like a clone movement. And I'm going to tell you why. It was not even like a couple of days ago. If you've been hanging out on Twitter, let's put it this way. If you've been hanging out on Twitter, on Amazon Twitter for a little while, you have probably seen this guy, and I'm not necessarily going to mention his name, but you've probably seen this guy. I don't know if I should or if I shouldn't, because he's already bitching on Twitter, or people are turning on him. But you've seen this guy actually like exposing gurus everywhere, anyone that was actually providing a service, whether it is a course, a mentorship, whatever. And so not like, I think 2 days ago, he actually switched up. He did a 180 and is now actually offering a service to Amazon seller, which is not really a lead list. I mean, let's call it what it is, okay? It's a glorified lead list, okay? He's pretty much becoming a distributor, right? And offering profitable products, allegedly, to Amazon seller, and it's going to be a group, 25 seller group that can actually purchase these leads, right? So it's pretty much a lead list. You can call it whatever you want. It's a lead list. So to me, it's actually crazy because, and you see that over and 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 over again, okay? Especially on Twitter, on Amazon Twitter, and in the Amazon community. You see, like, there's gurus, right? And there's the anti-guru movement. And I don't agree with everything with the guru movement. And to be honest, the more time I actually spend in the community actually helping people, the more I actually start to agree with what they do. Because they should charge your ass for everything that I'm literally, like, I should have charged your ass for everything that I literally give out for free on this channel and all the resources that I'm giving out, which I'm actually working all my offers right now, by the way. And I made a video, like, I think 2 weeks ago talking about that. I'm going to charge your ass for everything. But the more time passed and the more I actually agree with this movement, and the more I realize, oh, the anti-guru movement is actually a clone-ass show, all right? Because it is pretty much people like riding the wave of shitting on gurus to build a community, and then sell stuff to their community or like monetize their community this way, instead of actually providing value. And the worst thing is that, you know, I'll never respect you. And this is what a lot of these guys are doing, especially on Twitter. I'll never respect you if you are not willing to associate your face with your arguments, with your position, right? Which is what a lot of these guys are actually doing. Why? Because a lot of these guys are actually weirdos that are not willing to put their face in front of the camera. Because, like, you've seen it, okay? If I believe that you're a bitch, I'm going to say it in front of you guys, in front of the camera, and I'm going to tell you, you're a bitch, okay? Whether it is a business taking advantage of people, whether it is like one guy on a guru, or whether it is a guy in the comments, I'll tell you, you're a bitch. And I don't care. I'll hold my position. If this is what I believe, I'll be true to what I believe. And I'll say it, right? And I'll associate my faith and my whole brand with calling you a bitch, right? Which is the way you should actually do it, and not hide as an anonymous, like in between an anonymous Twitter account, right? Which is what a lot of guys are actually doing. So, and by the way, you know, like, because at the end of the day, a lot of these guys talk a lot of trash, right? But, like, to be honest, if you follow me on social, you look at my YouTube channel, you can know at every single point where I am in the world, because I record 99% of my videos, I record them on the same day, on the day where they are actually released, or the day before. So to be honest, if you want to find me, you can find me really, really easily, okay? I talk trash about people actually living in Miami that were leaving comments that I do not even know the whole identity of. They know my identity. They know where to find me. And nobody ever found me, right? Which show you that all this internet bullshit is just like bitch talks. That's it. But to me, like, this is actually crazy because we have people shitting on gurus, okay? Shitting on anybody, and not even on gurus, shitting on every single person that dares releasing a paid product for the Amazon community, right? Shitting on them in front of everybody while remaining anonymous. And this is why, because, you know, you may have said some stuff that is actually true, okay? This guy may have said some stuff that is actually true, but as I said earlier, I'll never have any respect for somebody that is not willing to show his face, okay? And not even willing to actually get on camera and talk in front of the camera because he's a weirdo, is socially awkward, to say what he actually wants to say, right? So, to be honest, if this is what you're doing, and then you're turning and offering a paid product to the community, then, you know, like, you're full of shit. I can say 100%. I know 100% you're full of shit because the truth is that the position that these guys are trying to take, and it's not the only one. There's a ton of other people. I'm not talking just about this guy, right? But the position that these guys are trying to take is, hey, other people are doing this as a paid service. I'm offering you the same thing for free just because I'm a good person and whatever, and like, there are trash people because you should never charge people for knowledge. You should never charge people for this stuff, which is a position that I hold on some stuff. You know, like, as I said, you know, when a product is trash, actually, so a product is trash. For example, OA Buddy. I've said it and I'll say it again. OA Buddy, you should not pay $200 for OA Buddy. It's trash. It should not be something that you pay $200 for. All right. It's a trash ass product. Do not get OA Buddy, you know, and I've said it in front of the camera multiple times when I did my how is it called? When I did my how do you call that? My tier list of Amazon softwares, and I talked multiple times about this software. You should absolutely not pay for that. It's trash. It should not exist. And yeah, you know, I'll own my position, and I don't care. You know, same thing. With my old prep center, I actually said that they were trash. I said their name, they changed their name. I made another video saying that they were trash and what they did. I have my positions and I'm willing to associate my face and my brand with my positions, okay? I'm not scared of doing that. And if you're actually scared to do that, just don't hold your position because you're just a bitch. But yeah, it's actually crazy that we saw people that were actually trashing gurus, actually not necessarily turning into gurus, but like actually offering some of the same products that they actually do, because like, this guy is literally shitting on lead lists, and I've made videos telling you guys that you should absolutely not buy lead lists, right? You should absolutely not do that. It's not going to help your business at all. But this guy is pretty much doing a glorified lead list, okay? It's pretty much a lead list, and he's talking trash about it, you know. But what he's doing is he's probably just overcharging for some products, okay, for some wholesale products. That's it, and he's taking advantage of actually opening an account and pretty much building his relationship with the wholesaler by using guys, like by pretty much doing the same business model as a lead list, but this way, right? So yeah, I mean, it's actually crazy. The plot twist is crazy, and this is why you need to realize it's kill or be killed, right? Everybody is trying to take advantage of you. Everybody is trying to make some money out of you, right? Whether they are saying it's for the long run or for the short run, everybody is. You know that I'm selling products. You know, I'm selling you my mentorship. I'm selling you my target list. I'm selling you my software. I have shit to sell you. And you know, I'm not making these videos because, and I've been saying it since the beginning. I'm not making these videos just because I'm a good person or whatever. I'm making these videos because I'm trying to build my brand and I'm trying to make money. All right? And the move is to actually build my personal brand. This is why I'm making these videos. This is why I'm actually helping you for free. It's not because I love you. All right? And I'm going to tell you straight up, it's not because I love you. It's not because like I'm a saint. No, I'm not. I'm trying to build my brand and I'm trying to make money. Even when I'm actually offering stuff for free, it's to build my brand, to get brand recognition, and to eventually make more money. Okay? Everything is it's self-motivated. Pretty much everything that I do is self-motivated. I'm not doing all this just for you, okay, just to make you happy. Of course, I need to make you happy if I want to build my brand and do all that stuff. But at the end of the day, it's for my personal gain. I'm doing all this for my personal gain. Whether I do some stuff for free or I actually charge it for you, I actually charge for it. It's for my personal gain. And it's the same thing for everybody, even people that are telling you that they are anti-guru, all that stuff, all that bullshit. It's always self-motivated. Whether because they want to actually get some clout on Twitter or whatever, or they want to get some money, or they want to build a brand, whatever. It's always going to be the case. All right. So be aware, I would say, be more aware of people that are actually giving away stuff for free or that are actually trashing gurus, because they have something, they are getting ready for something, and it's always the case, to be honest. Even if they are offering stuff for free, it's always going to be the case. And this is why I'm making this switch. And I told you guys that I was probably never going to get to make a course, probably never going to do it. And I told you in the last video that I was going to make it. And you should know, it's not going to be the least expensive course out there. It's probably going to be the most expensive one. And I'm going to tell you why. You know, all this stuff makes me realize that, first of all, not too long ago, and this chair is going down, not too long ago, when I was in Ivory Coast, I realized that a lot of guys are actually, like, you know, I helped a ton of people for free. And I'm actually glad that I did, because I helped a lot of people actually scale their business like crazy, okay? Build bigger Amazon business than mine, okay? I'm actually glad that I did. But a lot of people on the other end, a lot of people, I wasted a lot of time on a lot of people that I helped for free, that were not ready, that were not motivated, and all that stuff. And so this is why, you know, I believe, and this is why I've been saying, a lot of you guys do not even deserve the stuff that I've been offering for free, did not even deserve my time that I offered for free at the beginning, because you did nothing with it, and it's just a waste of time for me, you know? So this is why, this is one of the reasons why, yeah, I'm actually currently building a course. It's not going to be the cheapest course. I'll probably have one section for free, but you best believe it's going to be the most expensive Amazon FBA course out there. Okay, it's not going to be the cheapest. It's going to be the most expensive. So just because, to be honest, this community, and this is what I've been telling you guys for a long time, like, get away from Amazon Twitter. And the reason why is because this community is trash. This community is negative. This community is really trash. The Amazon FBA community, especially the online arbitrage community, is a trash-ass community. You deserve to be taxed to learn this shit, okay? Just because, to be honest, and as I've been saying it, I have 600 videos on my YouTube channel. You can learn how to run a 7-figure business on Amazon by watching all my free content. You can. It's going to take you a lot of time. If you're not willing to do that, don't come to me to ask questions. Buy my shit. That's it. To be honest, that's the message from today's video. It's always self-centered, it's always self-motivated, you know. And you know what? I'm actually glad that I did some stuff for free and all that stuff, because I made a lot of friends this way, a lot of people that I'm still talking to, and it helped me network. But beyond that, to be honest, my network is, I have a great network right now, you know. So to be honest, you know, I know that I'll still meet some great people from YouTube, you know, but to me, it's like you meet one great people and then you get 100 people that talk trash, 100 haters, 100 people that do not deserve what they have access to for free. So I mean, it's still great to meet one person, but like, it's a lot, you know. As it starts to add up, it gets like, it's a lot, it pisses you off. So yeah, my stuff price is going up. that was just to tell you this. And the more time passes, the more I understand gurus, and the more I realize that, you know what, maybe the best way was not to go the organic way, but the best way was to actually run ads and build a huge brand, which is going to be what's going to come next. But yeah, you know what, actually I'm glad that I actually started building my brand organically. and not the guru way, because I was able to maybe not create as many connections, but create way deeper connection, right? I met people that, not that I would give my life for, not to that point, but I met people that I can call friends right now. Even people that came on my mentorship that we talk pretty much almost every day, I'm actually glad that I met these people. But yeah, no, it's pay to play. All right, you need to realize, no, it's pay to play. Don't believe anyone on the Amazon community. Just look at what they did, okay? If you want to, even if you get the help of somebody that is not selling, right? Just try to see what their results are, okay? If you are trying to find someone to actually help you scale your Amazon FBA business, look at if they were able to help people scale their business in the past. That's all that matters. Because at the end of the day, if I wanted to, I could stop selling on Amazon today and become a full-time guru. It's not because I stopped selling on Amazon that I'm not going to help people. I'm not going to be able to help people make $10,000 a month on Amazon. Okay, reach $10,000 in sales, 20, 30, 40, 50, because I did it already. And to be honest, just go to Discord server, look at what people are saying, talk to people that are in my mentorship. They will tell you. I don't have anything to prove. I don't even need to sell on Amazon anymore if I wanted to go the guru, like the full-time guru way, right? So, yeah, that's all you need to look for, right? That's it. I hope this video was helpful. Still, crazy. It's crazy what's happening, crazy. But yeah, hope this video was helpful. If it was, leave a like. Do all that YouTube stuff. I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. Thank you for watching.